Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to block a user in Reddit. Now let's begin. Initially, log in to your Reddit account. After you have logged in, you will be directed to the index page. Now let's see. For example, I want to block this user. Simply hover over the username and click on it. You will then be directed to the user's profile. On the right hand side, if you scroll down, you will find something like more options. Simply click on it and you will get the option to block the user. Click on block user and it will ask you if you want to continue to their profile. I don't want to, so let's go back. There is another method of blocking a user. Let's look at that. Let's go to the user settings, safety and privacy. In the safety tab, if we look closely, we can see something like people you've blocked. In this section, you can simply input the username of the person you want to block and click on add. For instance, the username is. Simply click on add. That is how you block someone. And if you do want to unblock them, simply click on remove. Well guys, that's it for the video. That is how you block someone on Reddit. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.